Morning class. So today we are just going to discuss about longitude and latitude. It is the basic concept that one should know before starting on the chapter India size and location. So I am just sharing this video to you so that you can have an understanding of what is latitude and what is longitude. Although most of you know about it. So talking about latitude and longitude. No, what are latitude? Latitude are the lines, or you can say imaginary lines that runs from east-west direction. So all these lines that are run these horizontally are known as latitude, while longitude are the imaginary lines that runs from the north-south direction. So all these lines that are sorry running vertically, these are the part of longitude. So now the question comes that what it serves. Definitely when the people have done such a big labor, such a hard amount of work, that they have divided the whole of the earth into these imaginary lines, so there must be some reason behind it. So what was the reason that we need to discuss? The first reason is, I think you can see here that equator is there. So ये जो equator है that divides the earth into two hemisphere, the upper part being known as the northern hemisphere, the southern part is known as the southern hemisphere. Same way prime meridian भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा. So this prime meridian also divides the earth into two hemisphere, the eastern part known as eastern hemisphere and the western part known as western hemisphere. So these are just dividing the earth into the hemisphere, either western or eastern or north or south. Okay, another work that these two serve together, that is the location of a place. Like they are forming a graphical situation. So through this grid network we can find one of the place. Okay, you just have to mark the latitude and longitude of your area, and where it is you can find it in a place. You can do an activity on the Google map also. Just share your location, and location के जो coordinates होंगे they you have to record that, so you are able to find it. Okay, so this is what is the main work of latitude and longitude. Behind this there are other work also. Like talking about latitude, they are also known for this distribution of sunlight over the earth, and these are majorly responsible for the various climatic pattern that we found on the earth. Now taking it for example, इक्वेटर से जो दोनों ट्रॉपिक का एरिया है, लाइक ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इन द नॉर्थ वाइल ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न इन द साउथ, दिस एरिया इज नोन एज द टॉरिड जोन. ना होता क्या है टॉरिड जोन में, वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल द टॉरिड जोन जो है आपका एक ऐसा जोन है जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. सो सिंस सनरेज फॉल वर्टिकली ऑन द इक्वेटर, and since it's fall vertically on the equator, that means it receives more sunlight, that means it is higher in temperature. Talking about tropic of cancer and arctic circle, or you can say tropic of capricorn and antarctic circle. Now what it does, here the sun rays are a little bit slanting, so they are receiving less amount of sun rays. As a result the temperature is moderate here, while the final one is the frigid zone that lies between Arctic Circle or North Pole, or in the south it is from Antarctic Circle to South Pole. Here the temperature condition is extremely cold. So it also divides the place, sorry, temperature over the earth. Okay, say that if a country is lying in equator region, naturally chances are there कि that वो जो है ज़्यादा गर्म होगी, and if the country is lying in the tropic of Cancer, chances are there that it will be having moderate climate. Okay, so इक्वेटर के जो आपके पैरेलल्स चलते हैं, वी यूज टू कॉल देम पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड, वाइल जो पैरामेरिडियन कह दो आप, उसके जो पैरेलल्स चलते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं आपका मेरिडियंस ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड. अब ये तो समझ में आ गया हमें दैट वाई डू वी नीड लैटिट्यूड. ओके, लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया, इंडिया जो है वो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जो है इंडिया को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द चैप्टर यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Hmm. Now, why do we need longitude? We need longitude majorly for the time calculation. Okay. Now, what is the criteria? The criteria is very simple. That if you are moving 1 degree towards east, you will have additional 4 minutes. If you are moving 1 degree west, you are having uh, to deduct 4 minutes from your current time period. होता यह है कि जो अर्थ की जो सनलाइट है वो 1 डिग्री से दूसरी डिग्री पहुंचने के लिए इट टेक्स अराउंड 4 मिनट. सो डेफिनेटली जो टाइम डिफरेंस आता है दैट इज ऑफ 4 मिनट्स. दैट्स वाई वी हैव डिफरेंट लोकल टाइम्स इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ओके, इज इट क्लियर ना? वैसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा डेप्थ में लॉजिक आता है इसमें. लाइक इफ़ द अर्थ रोटेट्स लाइक दिस, इट इज़ हैविंग 360 को आप उससे डिवाइड करते हैं. दैट होल अर्थ का अगर हम देखते हैं तो 360 डिग्री का एंगल होगा आपका. इस 360 डिग्री एंगल को अगर आप जो है 24 आवर से डिवाइड करोगे तो रफली आपको जो है 4 मिनट आ जाएगा. नाउ दीज 4 मिनट्स जो हैं वही आपके जो है आपका टाइम डिफरेंस होता है दैट वी नीड फ्रॉम वन मीट फ्रॉम moving 1 degree to another degree. If you are going in east, you have to add the time. If you are going in west, you have to deduct the time. So this is the very basic logic that is there. Okay, so hope so this much is clear to you, and in case if this is clear to you, so then we can move on to the chapter.